Hi YouTube, it's George, and since it's Canada Day, I'm gonna record the fireworks. So, yep. Whoa, he's 3 in a row, 4. Just know I'm in the living room, so. Wow, there's 16 in a row now. 18 now. Basically, I'm just recording the fireworks. Okay, hopefully there's more. Okay, oh, I hear 3 in a row. 我錄個放煙花，寶寶，我錄個放煙花。Since my computer has more battery power, I'm gonna record as long as I can, and now I'm gonna record until the fireworks stopped. Just know I'm sitting in the living room and listen. Wow, there's 15 in a row now. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wow, there's like a lot of in a row now. Wow. Whoa! Now it's a bit of silent. You can hear a little one here. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, it almost sounds like it's going to. Since here comes the other one. Since my computer has more battery power, I'm gonna record it. I might record the whole thing, but that might take an hour. Whoa. Let me check the time.
Voiceover on text 00456. Shutter button. Voiceover off.
Okay, it's just 4 minutes. Okay, now my leg is freezing because my my computer is sitting in my lap. So, and plus I think my house is freezing. So remember about the TV. The family's watching the TV. So I think that's my first time ever. I think that's my first time ever recording the fireworks, because I usually don't record the fireworks. I usually watch them, but that's my first time recording the fireworks. You can hear it. Ignore that in the background. Wow, it's going like, well, I think it's going like 12 in a row. Hopefully the camera picks up. And here we go. Wow. Wow. 18 in a row now.
Voiceover on. Shutter button. Text 00928. Shutter button. Voiceover off.
Wow. 20. Whoa. Wow, 39 in a row. And I'm going to do recording, and we don't want it to be too long because that will take time to upload. In fact, it will. You have to watch it for like an hour.
Voiceover on Shutter. Text 01108. Preview image. Text Shutter button. Voiceover off.
There we go. $11 now. 12, 13, 14. $48 now. Wow. Go 65 in a row now. Whoa. 82 in a row. You can hear it starting to squeak. Wow, I think it's booming for like 94 times without stopping. Hopefully can finish off with a big crash at the end. That would sound cool. And what I forgot to say is, the reason why I'm recording this, because just know I'm from Canada, so that's why I'm recording. So that's why I'm recording the fireworks and upload that on YouTube.
Voiceover. Shutter. Text. 0:15:02. Shutter button. Voiceover off.
Okay, here it comes again. Now it's from the front window, so hopefully you can hear it. Let me check how much minutes I can record. Let me check how much minutes. Let's check the time. How much minutes I've just recorded.
Voiceover on. Shutter. Text. 0:18:18. Shutter button.
Okay.
Voiceover off.
0 hours and 18 minutes and 18 seconds. So I'm gonna use the trackpad for now instead of using the keyboard.
Voiceover on photo booth. Trackpad commander on. Text. 0:19. Shutter button. Voiceover off.
Okay, here it comes again.
Voiceover on text 02124. Preview image. Preview image. Preview image. You are currently on an image.
Okay, so that's enough of recording about the fireworks now, and because unfortunately I cannot show you the big crash because that wait until it's midnight, and I do not want to record for too long. So thanks for watching this video, and and as always, I want to wish, I want to wish my one of my subscribers a nice happy Canada Day. And just to know, if you're I know that one of my subscribers are in the United States, but if you if you stu if you if oh yes, if you are if if you're if you're in the United States, and if you are thinking about Canada, why not you wish the United States a happy Canada Day? So, and I want to wish you a happy Canada Day, and also my United States subscribers. So, thanks for watching this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you. I will talk to you next time.
Text. Preview image. Photo booth. Preview text 02339. Shutter button.